I know you guys are ready for a fall video, so let me show you how we make this super cute fall DIY and so many more.
I can't let you go, baby.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have so many cute fall DIYs for you in this video and we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna use this Dollar Tree sign and then also this Dollar Tree table cover. I already cut a piece of it off. Now I'm just gonna size it to the inside of the frame. I have these little angels that are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use 4 of them, but I'm going to detach the wing from them. I also have my beads from Amazon. These are linked in my Amazon storefront, linked in the description. Hey, before you guys go anywhere, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'm going to take one of these faux leather fall leaves and attach it right onto the house. Listen, I'm trying to get back on a regular schedule, but in case you guys missed me and want to see some more, you guys can check out my socials, and I'm on TikTok so much, so see you guys there. I bought a huge container of cookie cutters for my daughter for like projects and Play-Doh and stuff. I'm going to be using these 2 pumpkin cookie cutters. Now I can use this for a different DIY. Now taking a pencil, I'm going to trace around the pumpkin shape, and so I'm going to do like one big one and then I'll do a little one, but I'm going to overlap them like this so they're kind of stacked on each other. So I'm taking a bunch of these different acrylic paints and I don't like how dark they are, so these are more like Christmas. So what I did was just kind of mix them around to create a little bit of a pastel color, and oh my gosh, there goes the paint. Yeah, don't do that. So I feel like these are going to be more fall colors than those. I actually truly regret outlining the pumpkins because now they just it's okay. We're just gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going.
Is it easy? No. Do I like it? No, I don't. But do I do it? Yeah, I do.
All right, my friends, I think I redeemed myself, so I decided to restart it. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take some of this Dollar Tree moss and just add a little bit here at the bottom, and then probably put something on here that says like harvest or something. So here's my redemption DIY.
Got room for one more if you still want to go to Aspen.
Where did you find that?
Some kid back in town traded the van for it, straight up. I can get 70 miles to the gallon on this hog.
You know, Lloyd, just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber, you go and do something like this. And totally redeem yourself!
Still want to go to Aspen?
Oh, yeah! Okay, let's go, buddy!
For this DIY, I'm going to be using this cutting board from Dollar Tree. I love the size of this, and I do like that it already has like words and stuff on it, but we're going to go ahead and redo this to where if you decide later, you can reuse it and keep everything as is. And then I also found these hanging signs at Dollar Tree as well. I'll be using this really cute pumpkin pie one. On Google, I literally just went to search pumpkin pie recipe design. When I scroll through, there's different designs that you can print. Like that one, you can see that it has like the copyright thing on there. So I'm not going to use that one. So I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to go ahead and print it out. And I literally just raw cut it. Like I didn't use scissors. I basically just did this to it. I'm going to take this Dollar Tree sign and I'm going to hit it with some white paint. I usually use house paint when it comes to using white paint, just because this one's a little bit thin and it doesn't cover as much, but this is what we have today. This is what I'm going to use. Now I'm going to sand it down just a little bit. So using a pencil, I wrote "Today I'm," and then I'm going to go into it with a black Sharpie. You can use a paint marker or just paint over it, but for now I'm just doing a Sharpie. From Hobby Lobby, they were $2.49 but 40% off, so it was a really good deal. It has 6 pieces. It says thankful, grateful, blessed, and I'm going to glue it right underneath the "Today I'm Grateful." And I have this pack of fall leaves. These are from Hobby Lobby. You can see they're $2.49 and I did get them for 40% off. And then I also have these fastener dots from Dollar Tree. These are like the Velcro dots. I'm going to color this in with my alcohol markers. You can use paint or anything else, but I'm just making my life easier these days and I'm going to be using these. What I like about these markers is that you can kind of blend them, so you can use different shades to make it like a different color without having to mess with paints. These already have a sticky back, but I'm going to put just a tiny bit of glue just to make sure that it doesn't fall off. So now this can be taken off and put back on, and the reason I made it like that is because you can change it with the seasons. So I know it says grateful, but you can always change it to like whatever month that you're in. So let's say you're in coming up December, you know, instead of having a leaf, you can put like a little Santa Claus or something that's going to go along with the time of the year that you're in. Now I'm going to take these sticker tags from Dollar Tree, write down what I'm grateful for, and then put them right onto my board. So clearly I use tons of Dollar Tree supplies, but for anything that's not Dollar Tree, I try to link in my Amazon storefront. So you guys can go down to the description, click on my Amazon link, and you might find stuff like my glue gun, my glue sticks, and all that fun stuff. I'm gonna take a Dollar Tree beaded garland, different colored yarn, and also one of these that came in the bundle from Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna make some tassels, and you guys probably already know how to do them, so I'm just gonna go over it super quickly. I'm just gonna wrap the yarn over my hand or my palm, and then just go around it, I don't know, maybe 25 times or so. So once you have your little loops, then you're gonna take another one and tie it right at the top. Then you're gonna take that top and hold the bottom, make like a little ball right there, take another piece of yarn and tie it right up there. Now that it's on there, you're gonna cut the bottom part like this. There you go, quick little tassel. And you can make them as thick or as skinny as you want. I think I'll make mine a little bit thicker than this. I'm gonna cut it right in the center where there's extra twine to tie around the grateful word. So I made a couple of knots right here, and I'm gonna add a little dot of glue, that way it doesn't move around. And now I'm gonna take all my little tassels, I made 4 of each, 2 for each side, and then just start tying them in between the beads. Okay friends, let's make a gnome scarecrow using one of these Dollar Tree scarecrows, and then also some macrame twine or yarn. I'm going to remove the hat, and being very gentle, making sure that it doesn't rip, but it's really thin, and if you do it too hard it might just tear on you. See? Just like that, just 4. I'm going to take this wood plaque from Dollar Tree and use it as a base, and I'm going to glue the scarecrow right on top of it. And then I'm just going to start adding stuff around it to make it look a little bit more harvesty. I have this really cute watering can pick that I'm going to add right into the pumpkin. I know you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I know you love this video too, with tons of fall ideas that you can try too. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up on this video to let me know you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!